Welcome to Problem Solving and Decision Making Creatively. I'm Ross Maynard, your facilitator for this course. I'm a fellow at the Chartered Institute of Management Accountants here in the UK and have nearly 30 years experience of business and process improvement, training and facilitation, and I've put all that experience into this course. It's easy to get stuck in a rut with our problem solving process. We get the same group of people together and apply the same thinking as always, coming up with stale and predictable results. But if you continue to think like you've always thought, you'll continue to get what you've always got. The problem is that business practices and markets are changing rapidly, and business as usual is no longer an option. This course, Problem Solving and Decision Making Creatively, will help you refresh and reinvigorate your approach to problem solving and decision making. In this class, we will cover key topics in problem solving and decision making, including why you need to be more creative in your approach to problem solving and decision making, because the markets you operate in are becoming ever more competitive, the different thinking styles that people use when making decisions and how you can use them to boost your organisation's approach to problem solving, a step-by-step method to creative problem solving and decision making, tools to help in creative problem solving and decision making, and the benefit realisation approach to problem solving. I hope you enjoy the course.